Alright, hey, YouTube, what's up? We're going to learn this song by the Beach Fossils called Sugar. And I like the tempo of this song. This is about my rhythm and, I feel internally as I go throughout my day. As everybody seems faster than me. Alright, I'm going to do the intro. Okay, there's a little guitar line, but before we talk about the guitar line, let's learn the chords. Because it doesn't do you any good to learn a guitar line if you don't know, like where to play it over, what chords. Okay, the intro is a B major 7. To B major to C sharp. So it's actually going on 2 B major chords in a row. Okay, so the B major 7, if you haven't played this before, you're not playing the A string. That's muted by your first finger. Okay, we're on the 7th fret. And on the low E, you got your index finger. On the B, you have your middle finger. Okay, and then on the D and G strings, you place your ring finger on the D and your pinky on the G. Jingle bells. Oh no, okay. Nice to know you. On U, it goes just to a regular B major bar chord. You play at the 7th fret. Then it's nice to know you. Goes to C sharp. I'm playing that at the 4th fret with this bar chord shape. You could just play it with the A shape at the 6th fret and play that with one finger. Okay. You can also play the B here, but I'm just going to show it to you one way. Okay, so that's the intro. Okay, and the guitar is playing, a lot of times I talk about scales, but this is actually, it's coming right out of the chords. Okay, remember we had our... Okay. It's playing this at the 8th fret on the G string. Okay. Alright, so these two notes are out of the B. G, G, G on the 8th fret to the D on the 9th fret. Okay, and those are all right out of these chords we were playing. And then the last note is out of the C sharp. Okay, we're playing, we're sliding on this D string, which we end up on, and we slide down to the 6th fret from the 8th, from the 9th. Okay, and that's right out of our C sharp. So just think of that guitar solo as taking individual notes out of these chords. I think it goes to this note at the end. That is right out of that C sharp. It's G string at the 6th fret. All right. Now moving on. Let's go into the verse. The verse is a little simpler, I think. The verse, you could just think of replacing the B major 7 with the E. something like that. But you don't know what to do about yourself. So we're just playing E, B, C sharp. Time it goes, same chords, but it's got a different rhythm. All right, go the first time. Now you stays on the E longer. So now you found the time to get away. Then it gets off the E quickly. But you don't know what to do about yourself. The chorus is pretty straightforward. We do have a new chord. The G sharp minor 7 is going to be in there. It's at the 4th fret, just like the C sharp. It's right above the C sharp. Okay, and we just play the bottom 4 strings on the 4th. We play the 6th string on the A, and then we can play the root of the chord on the 4th. You can also play it with one finger and just play the top 4 strings. Or a lot of people play it like this. You're just laying this hand over the bottom part, and then you play your root with your middle finger, and then the A string is muted. So any of those ways is fine. You can even play it like this if you want. All right, any of that is fine. 4th fret though is the important thing to remember. Okay, so it's starts on the B. On the outside, on the outside, on the outside. Can't remember the lyrics. Back to B. C sharp. Okay, after the G sharp 7, we go to the B again and the C sharp. Following the first chorus, there is an instrumental section, and that's just the same as the intro. We're going to play the lost in. That's the whole song. At the end, they just play the intro chord sequence. All right, so there you go. That's Beach Fossils, Sugar, nice mellow tune, kind of my speed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.